Welcome back, guys. So in this video we're going to show you how to change the clutch fork on a Fiat 500. You can see how it's badly damaged from the failure of the pressure plate and the release bearing. This normally creates a really high-pitched squealing noise on the vehicle when driven. It appears to be a difficult job, but it needn't be following these simple steps. Before you start, just check that you've got the right part to replace. Remove the top circlip on the pivot point. The pivot may come off easily. If the pivot doesn't come off easily, simply cut the clutch fork here. The upper section will now simply slide out. The remainder of the clutch fork will now just lift out, as seen here. To allow the new clutch fork to fit, you will need to knock out the upper collar. If you use a socket to remove it, then the clutch fork will simply slide in like so. The top sleeve can now be knocked back in place using a suitably sized socket. Mark up the pivot point. Cut down the shaft on the pivot point and then just knock it out. Refit the circlip and check the operation of the clutch fork. How did you find the repair? Have you got any extra tips or advice when doing this job? This has been how to fix it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.